How to check games or app connected to Facebook account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, make sure that you are running the latest version of the app. Once you've got the latest version, simply open the application Facebook, enter your login credential and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, head over to menu at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on this gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're in the settings and privacy page of Facebook, scroll all the way down till you see the category of activity. In this section, you will see the option of apps and website. Head over to it. Now in this page, if you scroll down, you will get to see all of the apps and website that your Facebook account is connected to. So that's how you can easily see the applications and website connected to your Facebook account. That's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.